Hello, good morning girls. And today we discuss about the theories of wage determination. Determination of wages is a quite difficult task. Therefore, till date, four major theories are propounded which are as follows. Number 1, subsistence theory. Number 2, marginal productivity theory. Or third, wage fund theory. And fourth is modern theory of wages. Right? Now we discuss the first theory, subsistence theory. This theory was propounded by an English economist Ricardo in 1772 to 1823. He viewed that the total amount available for wages was fixed and its distribution provided a subsistence wage to all the workers employed in the industry. If real wage rose above the subsistence level, there would be increased in population to extend pressure on wages and force them to come down to the subsistence level. This theory is highly influenced by the population theory of Malthus. यानी पहली थ्योरी जो सबसिस्टेंस थ्योरी है जिसको कि हमारे इंग्लिश इकोनॉमिस्ट हैं रिकार्डो, उन्होंने इस थ्योरी का जो है वो डेवलपमेंट किया और उन्होंने अपनी इस थ्योरी में कहा कि जो कुल अमाउंट है अवेलेबल है वेजेस के लिए उसे एम्प्लॉयज को किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में देने के लिए प्रॉपरली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाना चाहिए और जो रियल वेजेस हैं वो सब्सिस्टेंस लेवल से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए जिससे कि पॉपुलेशन का जो प्रेशर है वेजेस पर ना पड़े और एक सर्टेन लेवल पे जिसको बोलते हैं सब्सिस्टेंस लेवल तक हमारे एम्प्लॉयज को वर्कर्स को मिल सके। और ये थ्योरी जो है सब्सिस्टेंस थ्योरी बेसिकली जो है हाईली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड है पॉपुलेशन थ्योरी ऑफ माल्थस। माल्थस के थ्योरी से ये प्रभावित है। और दूसरी थ्योरी है आपकी मार्जिनल प्रोडक्टिविटी थ्योरी। This theory takes into account demand, supply, and competition as the main regulations of the wages. The theory postulates that any industry would go on employing additional labor so long as it pays to employ them, meaning the addition of labor must result in increase of production. Finally, after a certain point, additional employment will become counterproductive. And next theory is wage fund theory. To overcome the weakness of the subsistence theory, wage fund theory came into existence. यानी जो subsistence theory की जो weakness थी उसकी वजह से इस theory का development हुआ wage fund theory का। According to this theory, a fixed amount of wage fund is available for distribution at any one time and the level of wages depend on the equitable distribution according to the price of labor. If any one industry the wages of workers rose above the available amount of fund, other would be attracted to the industry and as the supply of workers grew large, the wage would come down. Consequently, wage would be maintained at a uniform level. Okay, girls.